boAt Airdopes 141 True Wireless Earbuds. Playback. Enjoy an extended break on weekends with your favorite episodes on stream. Virtue of a playback time of up to 42 hours including the 6 hours non-stop playtime for earbuds. Frequency 20 Hz, 20 kHz. Low latency or beast mode makes these true wireless earbuds a partner in entertainment with real-time audio and low latency experience. Clear voice calls. It dons built-in mic on each earbud along with our ENX environmental noise cancellation tech that ensures a smooth delivery of your voice via voice calls. boAt signature sound. Delve into your cherished boAt immersive auditory time with Airdopes 141. ASAP Charge. The earbuds are equipped with our ASAP Charge feature that offers up to 75 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of charge, while the carry case comes along with the Type-C interface. Instant Connect. Connect your morning playlists without any hiccup via the Insta-Wake and Pair technology that powers on these true wireless earbuds as soon as you open the case cover. IP rating. The earbud's body comes protected with IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistance. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.